Characteristics of sound. Hello kids. We hear a lot of different sounds in our surroundings. All of them sound different. Some sounds are pleasant and some are annoying. This is because sound has some characteristics that make it different from one another. Let us explore more about the characteristics of the sound. Loudness. Loudness of a sound is related to the amplitude of the sound wave. We know that sound is produced by the vibration of particles. If the amplitude of the vibrating particle is larger, a louder sound is produced. If the amplitude is small, a softer sound is produced. Loudness depends on the area of the vibrating body. Loudness depends on the area of the vibrating body and the distance of the source of the sound to the listener. Greater the surface area, larger will be the loudness. Loudness increases with the decrease in the distance of the source from the listener. Loudness is expressed in decibel. If you pluck a stretched rubber band softly, it vibrates with small amplitude and it produces a softer sound. If you pluck it harder, it vibrates with greater amplitude, producing a louder sound. Pitch. Pitch describes the shrillness of sound. The frequency of the sound determines the pitch or the shrillness of the sound. If the frequency of vibration is less, we say the sound has low pitch, or simply the sound is low pitched. If the frequency of vibration is more, we say the sound has high pitch, or simply the sound is high pitched. Compared to men, women and children have high pitched voice. The buzzing of mosquitoes and the chirping of birds are of high pitched, and the roaring of lion is low pitched sound. Quality. Two sounds may have the same loudness and pitch, but still we can distinguish between those two sounds. For example, the sounds produced by a violin and a piano are different, even if the loudness and pitch of the sounds produced by them are kept the same. The quality of sound is a characteristic by which sounds with the same loudness and pitch can be distinguished. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.